Blockchain has changed the whole economy by providing immutability, transparency, anonymity, decentralization, and security. The most important thing that has made blockchain even more popular is the elimination of third-party intermediaries. The innovation of smart contracts has lowered the chances of any process conflict, saves time, and makes the process cheaper, faster, and more efficient. Good use cases of blockchain and smart contracts are laying the foundation for the future of enterprises by improving maximum performance in various business operations such as supply chain management, quality assurance, data storage, and security. Still, the most asked question of new age entrepreneurs is, should I hire a smart contract development company? A big yes. Here are 3 main reasons for a business owner to consider smart contract technology. First, smart contracts can automate transactions between a company and its customers. Inserting delivery or shipping information into the contract automatically creates a receipt for the goods. Second, these self-executable contracts are immutable and, therefore, secure. The terms of the agreement will remain the same even if someone breaks into the system. Finally, smart contract technology saves time by not having to pay for third-party services. It's also fast as everything is done automatically by the computer running the code without delay. So what else are you looking for? Leverage the enterprise blockchain and smart contract development with breakthrough technology to create a transparent platform for all stakeholders. Blocktunix is here to help. Let the experts build smart contracts for your business.